Thank you for choosing JELD-WEN. This video will walk you through the installation process for your new pre-hung interior door. Before you get started, you will need the following tools. Locate the hinges. Use a flathead screwdriver and a hammer to pop the hinge pins out. Repeat for the remaining 2 hinges. Be sure to keep these 3 pins in a safe place to be used later. Then, remove the plastic placeholder located where the doorknob would be. We recommend using a door hanging kit to install your door. You can find these in the door aisle of your local hardware store. Follow the instructions included in the door hanging kit to attach brackets to the door frame. Use a pencil to make a mark roughly 3 inches down from the middle hinge. Center your level over this mark and make additional marks on the far right and left of your level. You should have 3 marks total. Locate the door hanging brackets and the provided screws. Place a bracket over one of the marks and using a power drill, screw the bracket in securely. Repeat for the remaining 2 marks. Now you need to take measurements at the doorway. Use a tape measure to measure ½ inch from the outside edge of the hinge side frame to the wall. Make a small mark with a pencil. Repeat several times until there are 5 to 6 marks along each side of the door frame. This will help you center the door later. With a pencil in hand, hold the level against the wall to line up 2 of the marks. Make sure the bubble in the level is completely centered. It's more important that the level is centered than that all the initial marks match up. Once 2 marks are centered, draw a vertical line on the wall to connect the marks. Repeat this process to draw a vertical line along the entire length of the door frame. Be precise. Double-check the level each time to ensure the vertical line is completely level. This step is critical to the success of your door installation. Repeat this process on the other side of the wall. Next, you're going to attach the door frame to the wall. Place the frame into the opening, making sure it's centered between the 2 drawn lines, using the ridges on the brackets to guide you. Once the frame is centered, starting on the hinge side, use a screw provided in the door hanging kit to secure the middle bracket into the wall. Drill with force to ensure a secure fit. Note which notch on the bracket the pencil line is lined up with. For example, if lined up with the second notch, make sure the top and bottom brackets are also lined up on the second notch. Repeat for the remaining 2 brackets on the hinge side. Hold your level up to the hinge side of the frame and make sure the frame is completely level. If level, repeat the previous steps for the handle side. If not, refer to the instruction booklet. Carefully pick up your new door and align the hinges. While your partner holds the door in place, insert the middle hinge pin first, then insert the other 2 hinge pins. Do not let go of the door until all 3 hinges are secured. Test the door by swinging it back and forth and making sure it fits into the frame. Of course, no door is complete without a proper handle, but first, we need to install the strike plate. From the hardware box, remove the rectangular strike plate and screws. One side of the plate has a beveled edge, while the other is flat. With the beveled side facing toward you, use a drill to screw the strike plate into the door frame. Now it's time to install the handle set of your choice by following its included installation instructions. Now that your door is fully operational, it's time to add the finishing touches. Now you can reattach your original door trim. Place your original door trim over the opening. The trim should be offset about 1/8 of an inch from the inside of the door frame. Have someone hold the trim in place and use a nail gun or a hammer and nail set to secure it to the wall. Use as many nails as needed to get a secure fit. Repeat this on the other side of the door. Caulk the joints between the door frame and the drywall, as well as the joints between the trim and the door frame. Wipe off any excess caulk as you go for a smooth finish. Paint your door and trim the color you prefer using a brush or roller. To paint or stain your door, visit JELD-WEN finishing instructions. Congratulations! Your new JELD-WEN door installation is complete.